This tutorial will show you how to use MyVRSpot. MyVRSpot is a server that we can use to deliver video and media to our students. Today's lesson is specifically going to focus on using YouTube video because we all know we get blocked when we try to use YouTube video. I'm going to choose this first one here just because I can see it's a very short video. It should not take long to upload to MyVRSpot. So there it is. I come up here, I copy this URL, and then I go into MyVRSpot account. I'm going to upload a video, and I'm going to upload it from a link. So I paste that URL there, and it automatically gives me a thumbnail of where I'm going to see the video. It gives me a title and it gives me a description, and I'm going to say save. And I get a message saying that special characters are not allowed in description or title fields actually. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to come through here and I'm going to erase that entire description, and then I'll say save. And once I get the loading icon there, I can see that it's accepting my title and description. This was a very short YouTube clip, so it should not take very long to load, but if your video is longer, it can take, a couple minutes, so be patient. Once it is loaded successfully, you do get this notification right here, and then you're ready to go ahead and embed that video in your Blackboard class. So you have to go to your home screen, and then you have to find it. So I have lots of pages here, but let's see here. Just for the purpose of saving time, let's just pretend that this was the video that I just uploaded. I will go in here, I'll select it. First thing I would want to do is play it and make sure it came through okay, which it did. Now I'm ready to embed. So I click the embed. You're going to get two options here. You have to click the classic embed in Blackboard. I don't know why the other embed code won't work. I select all of it and then I copy, and then I go into my Blackboard class and I'm ready to go ahead and add that item in. And I'm going to do it a couple of different ways. So the first thing I would do if I want to just copy and paste, whoops, I can't do that. I forgot a very important step. When you're going to embed video, embed any kind of code, you have to toggle to HTML mode, then I'll paste the code, and then I'll submit. A value must be provided. Okay, I'm going to erase this, so we'll say it's erase. And there's my video that's being streamed through VRSpot, but it's a YouTube video, so that's really nice. A lot of times if you're going to have more than one video on a page, it's kind of nice to condense it like this one right here. It just makes it crisper and cleaner, I think. So let me show you how to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and go back in. I'm going to create another item. I'm going to toggle to HTML mode. I'm going to paste that code here. But I'm going to tell the code that I want the width of my video to be 280 and I want my height to be 160. And I have to change it one other place towards the very last place that I see the width and height. I have to change it there as well. And then I say submit. And so there's the video. It's a little smaller. Just, your own personal it's your own personal, however you want to do it. But anyway, there you go. That's MyVRSpot.